Welcome, today I will show you how to easily remove the tempered glass from the display in Realme 5i, and we don't need any additional accessories. So let's start from one of the edge. For example, we are going to remove the glass from the left upper corner, and we have to use our fingernail and put it underneath glass. So let's make it like that. And we have to lift that glass a little bit, and when we make it, we can put our second finger here and then move to the right corner and then take it off just like that. Right now we can put two fingers and then slowly lift that glass to remove it. We can go right now here. Okay, and as you can see, it's done. And here we have the display without glass on the screen. So right now we can clean that display with wipe. And as you can see, that's how easily we can remove the tempered glass from display on Realme 5i. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.